In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a folder in Google Drive. First, a quick note, we're doing this in the web version of Google Drive and you'll want to be signed in with the account that owns or has access to the folder. Deleting a folder removes everything inside it, including subfolders, so take a moment to make sure it's the right one. Start by opening your browser and going to drive.google.com. This lands you on the home view of Google Drive where you can see your recent files and folders. If you prefer, you can switch to My Drive on the left to see your full folder structure, but Home works fine for this task. Next, locate the folder you want to delete and click it once to select it. A single click highlights it, a double click would open it, so stick with a single click. Confirm you've selected the correct folder by checking its name at the top bar or in the selection badge that appears. With the folder selected, open the More Options menu. You'll find this as a three-dot icon near the top of the page or beside the folder name, depending on your layout. Clicking that icon reveals additional actions you can take on the selected folder. From the menu, choose Move to Trash. Google may ask you to confirm if the folder is shared or contains many items. Approve the prompt and the folder will be sent to trash. That's it, the folder is no longer in your main Drive views. A few helpful notes so you know what to expect. When you move a folder to trash, it stays there temporarily. In most personal accounts, items in trash are automatically purged after about 30 days. During that time, you can restore the folder if you change your mind. In shared scenarios, if you're not the owner, removing the folder typically only removes it from your Drive, not from other people's accounts. If you don't see the Move to Trash option, it usually means you don't have permission to delete that folder, especially in shared drives managed by an organization. Finally, remember that big folders can take a moment to process. If you're tidying up, it's a good habit to double check the folder contents before you remove them, just to avoid surprises later. And that's the process. You've learned how to go to Google Drive, select the right folder, open More Options, and move the folder to trash.